Right, in this video we're going to show you how to replace the screen filter in our pop-up sprinklers. This works with both our 400 series, which are these these big ones here with the adjustable nozzles. We make them in 4-inch and 2-inch. We make them with various different, we've got the adjustable nozzle in this one. We also have them with fixed pattern nozzles, brass nozzles. But basically the thing you're going to be noticing is that whatever the nozzle is, it's female threaded, not male threaded. So we have a different filter for male threaded, and we have a different video for that. It also works with our 300 series, which are these smaller, thinner ones. Again, those come in 2-inch and 4-inch. So let me just show you the process super quick. Basically, you're just going to unscrew the lid and pull out the sprinkler assembly. The canister probably stays in the ground. Remove the nozzle, whatever nozzle you've got on there. You're going to find the old filter there. It could be broken or clogged or something like that. May just want to throw it away or maybe try cleaning it. But a new one just goes right in there. Screw that nozzle back on. Stick that back in the canister. Put the lid back on. And you're all set to go. So that's all there is to it. That little change might really increase the performance of your sprinklers. So if you notice they're not spraying as far, or the precipitation coverage isn't as even as it used to be, there's a good chance it could be clogged. So you may want to look into replacing those. If you have any questions about this process, please give us a note in the comments below, and we would be happy to help you.